Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Kanat. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic which had taken place in America during the year 1971. So this particular thing is a mystery which is nothing but about D.B. Cooper. So this is the first official hijacking which has taken place in America and the entire world. So let me tell what had really happened on that particular day. So on November 24th, 1971, there was a flight named Northwest Airlines number 305 which was bound or scheduled to go from Portland to Seattle. So here there were around 30 members, including the crew and passengers. So among which there was a person who named D.B. Cooper. So what happened was on November 24th, 1971, D.B. Cooper boarded the plane successfully and sat down in his seat. So, as per schedule, the flight departed from Portland. If you see the flight duration between Portland and Seattle at that time was 30 minutes. So, what happened was during the flight, DB first of all ordered a soda and some snacks. Actually, if you see, the surrounding passengers claimed that he was at mid 40s, wearing a dark color suit and black color tie. So, what happened was, after he ordered the snack, he gave a small piece of paper to 23 years old flight attendant. First of all, the flight attendant thought it was his phone number, but when he saw the flight attendant for a second time, he requested politely to the flight attendant to read the paper as he was carrying a bomb. Shocked to hear this, she read the paper, sat near him, and asked him what were his demands. So, what he told was his demands were around 2 lakh American dollars at that time. At present time, it is around 1 million American dollars for parachute and a fuel truck to refuel the flight. So what happened was the particular flight attendant took the information to the captain and the captain reported to the ground ATC, and later on what happened was they were agreed to the demands of the hijacker. But at the back end, they were planning to capture him. So later, what happened was at 5:39 p.m., the flight had landed, and he released all the passengers. Then later on, he explained what to do next after receiving the cash. So what he told was he had instructed the captain to fly southwest towards Mexico, where he again refueled the flight and then landed at Reno. So, between this trip, what happened was he opened the door and jumped out of the flight. So, next, what happened was after the flight had landed, the police officers tries to seize him, but he was not. Then later on, police officers searched the possible parts where he would have landed, but he was not found. Till now, it is a big mystery, or say biggest mystery in the aviation field. And the first hijacking that took place in America and entire world. So, but what happened was the church had continued for many years, and during the 1980s and 2000s they found ransom money, and during the year 2017 a parachute strap was found where he could be landed. But then the case file has been closed because the police started thinking that he must have died because of health factor and aging. Hello everyone. I actually forgot to say one thing before I ended the video. I wish each and every one a happy Diwali. Please celebrate it safely, and do not forget that the coronavirus is still on. So once again, an happy and prosperous Diwali to you and your family. Thank you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and comment on what video I should make next. Thank you.